needs my core. Thank you for surviving, Eddie Bell. Thank you for surviving. We've seen already some of the nasty. Let's see that read. Good Lord. Needs a mechanic. Dan Crook, what do you got? Time still to go on the clock, 40 minutes in fact. Here we go, we can try again. Ja, joh, doe eens een steentje. Oh, senor Fleck.
Oh my God! He's good. He's good.
Easy.
Let's go. Got it.
Yo! Up double tiger. Yo!
Yes, Steve. Thank you.
Of course. Where's he taking that? Something to the chin, making sure his neck is alive. Oh, big deep fleck. Making sure it was 9%. Okay, let's go. Yo! That was it. Whatever you have, whatever show left. Saint from Belgium. Shut up. Shut up. Mickey, feel. Come on, Mickey. Mickey Flack.
Hey, Nico, du hast den.
Ladies and gentlemen, Cologne, Germany. Obstacle. We're gonna continue. Are you ready? The biggest shout out to this handsome gentleman, because this is his brainchild. Make some noise for Fernando. So that was the person on an AM level who impressed the judges the most throughout the whole day. So please welcome to this imaginary stage, Eduardo Rodriguez.
There it is.
You stay here, Eduardo, for the paparazzi, you know. They're doing their thing. The next rider we'd like to welcome to stage is the Cash Up Golden Ticket. This guy impressed the judges so much that they said, we want to see this guy shredding next week at the next Cash Up Jam in Amsterdam. So please welcome Nico van der Loon. Please make some noise and welcome Alex Kennedy. There he is.
Thanks so much, guys.
Coming in second place at the Cash Up Jam, please welcome Mr. Dan Truck.
Come on, man.
And last but not least, the overall winner here, ladies and gentlemen, and it's got one message. This guy, any direction, any speed, he's part of this panel here already, so make some